Everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can stabilize your videos in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. Now, it is very easy to do. There are multiple ways, but I'm going to show you just one, and it is a very simple thing to do. As you can see, I have a video added to my timeline, and I'm gonna try and stabilize it. It is pretty stable as is, so it won't have much effect, but I'm gonna stabilize it even further. What you're gonna want to do is go to the edit tab and then select the clip that you want to stabilize. Then what you want to do is go to the inspector in the top right, make sure it's enabled, then scroll down until you get to stabilization. Just click on that to collapse or uncollapse the menu. Then you have the mode of stabilization that you want. I'm going to select translation. Then you can edit the cropping ratio, the smoothness, and the strength, etc. And if you want to stabilize it, all you have to do is just click stabilize, and it's going to analyze the clip and stabilize it in full. And once that's done, your clip will be even more stable. As you can see, it changed it a bit, and now if I play it, it's even more stable than before. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.